Hello, this is Mr. Thayer, and I'd like to help you out with checking a solution to a system. So in this example, we want to check if -2, 8 is a solution to this given system right here. So we'll perform a check, plugging in for x and for y. So we'll take the first equation and put 8 in place of y. And in place of x, we'll put our -2 and write the rest of the equation down. Don't forget your check mark. So again, you don't need to solve the system again, you just need to plug it in and check the solution. So is 8 equal to 10, take away 2? All right, so far so good. 8's equal to 8. So yep, works so far, but it's got to work in both equations. So let's plug it into the second one, and we'll do that check in green. 5 times -2 plus 8, let's see if that's equal to 0. -10 plus 8, that is equal to -2 actually, which is not equal to 0. So frown face. So we can definitively say that -2, 8 is not a solution to this system. And that would be our final answer that we would be sure to box. There we go. So that's our first example. Is this a solution or not? Let's take a look at our second example. Example 2, solve the system by graphing. Well, we like to graph equations that are in slope-intercept form. So this first equation is ready to go. The y-intercept is -3. So 0, -3, we can plot right now on the graph, 1, 2, 3. And the slope is +3/1, this number out in front of x. So we'll go up 3 to the right 1, because our rise is 3, and we always go to the right. And we'll repeat that a few times. Do the reverse and go down 3 left 1 a couple times. And then take a ruler or straight edge object and draw your arrows in line. Now the top equation's not slope-intercept form, so as I recopy that down, we'll want to get that y alone. So let's get rid of x. Subtract it from both sides. So that's gone. And you've got a -1y equals -x plus 5. Get rid of that -1 through division. So our final equation in slope-intercept form is y equals +1x, or 1/1x, minus 5. So your y-intercept is that -5. So go down to -5. And your slope is up 1 to the right 1, or down 1 to the left 1. And there's your point of intersection right there. So there's where we think our solution is going to be. Right there at this coordinate, which is -1, -6. Better check your solution though, and make sure that it works in both systems. So we'll do a quick check for the top equation. We'll plug -1 in for x and -6 for y. And it looks like that's going to work. 5 equals 5. And for the bottom equation, we'll do an orange check. Is -6 equal to 3 times -1 minus 3? Looks like it is, so it checks out for both equations. All right, so that's our solution. This is the first video of 3 review videos to tune into, so stay tuned for the next one.